How does apple cider vinegar keto diet pills are used for weight loss? Parties, birthdays, and other functions are so important. But what's more important is how does our body look? We are living in the 21st century where everything has a new way to work. Overweight is a problem faced by many young ones in the new generation. It is not as easy as we have to lose fat. Our body gets so many fatty acids that get stick to the different parts of the body. These fatty acids do not get out of the body and stay for years. Now to remove them, exercise and other things are required. See also, apple cider vinegar and keto pills official website, check here. To find a solution that can resolve all these problems, scientists have prepared a formula that contains organic ingredients. Apple cider vinegar keto diet pills are a new version of a supplement that deals with weight loss problems. Over the years, this supplement has the best process and working. How do apple cider vinegar keto diet pills work? According to the producer of this supplement, working is the factor that helps people to take more supplements. Apple cider vinegar keto diet pills is a keto product that depends on the ketosis process. In this case, people have to take a ketogenic diet so that the action of the keto apple cider vinegar pills is much faster. Our body has an ample number of reactions taking place every second. In these reactions, we have the ketosis process already occurring in the body. But this is still not enough to lose weight that is in a huge bucket. People must use less carb food. This helps the body to feed on the low-carb diet to produce energy. There is very high energy release in the body, which helps the body to get active and fresh. Slowly, fat that is being stored in the body starts to dissipate. After a few weeks, there is no fat stored. That's where the body is fit. Now there is no place for fat to be stored. This is how it works so wonderfully.